Namaskar, Pune. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Prakash Saupur. I do magic, so I think a magician, Prakash Saupur. I'm happy being here in Pune after a long time, and I hope I'll entertain you for next few minutes. And for this magic, I would like somebody who can help me so that the magic can be more interesting and engaging. Who can come? Somebody whom I can pick up? Will not come, so why don't you come? Come, sir, please. So, ladies and gentlemen, for my magic which I'm going to have here, I have a gentleman, Mr. Vijay. By the way, should I call you all as ladies and gentlemen, or should I call you all as friends? I can't hear. Friends is better. So, friends, Vijay, I'm going to help you for this next magic, right? Yeah, please come. Vijay, I have a board here, right? And there are 4 pockets on this board. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? And what is in that? There are 4 cards. Each card has something. What is that? Can you just see? What is that?
Priyanka Chopra.
You can show it everyone. Okay. There's another card in number 2. Yeah. What is that?
Sunny Leone. Sunny Leone.
Okay. That speaks how popular she is in Pune.
Deepika Padukone.
Okay. And
Aishwarya Rai.
okay. So Vijay, there are 4 cards, right? I want you to just mix all those 4 cards, so that we do not know which actor is lying where. But all 4 actors are safely in Vijay's hands. Yeah? Yeah, Vijay. Don't see them. Don't see them, just mix them randomly. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. You can give me any one. So I do not know who is this. So I wanted to tell you where I should place this actor. Where should I place?
Number 1.
Okay. So I keep it here. Number 1. Yeah, as per your wish.
Yeah.
Take one more card. Mix them. Yeah. Where should I keep? You can tell me.
Number 3.
So number 3. Yeah. The next one. Where do you want me to keep?
Number 2.
And last
Of course,
one,
number
there is 4. Yeah. So 4 actors, 4 slots. Yeah, Vijay, you saw them. So now you need to think all those 4 actors in my mind. Can you think? Yeah. So I wanted to just think of anyone properly in your mind and tell me one number, any one of this, and pick up one card or one actor whom you want to date. Yeah. Okay. Any one number? 3. So I do not know who's that. Yeah. 3. Are you sure you want only 3? Yeah. Yeah. Have this. Okay, I have a message here at the back. Okay. Can you just open that and read out? Yeah.
I have read your mind in advance.
Little loudly so everyone sees.
I have read your mind in advance. The chosen actor is already predicted by Prakash Saukar. The prediction is in the big envelope kept on display.
It's there. Yeah. So I do not know you. We have not just met earlier. We have met you the first time. 4 actors were there, and randomly you picked one actor whom you wanted to date today, and it is here and there. Without knowing you, I think I must have already predicted that.
Okay.
So I want to pick up this envelope, cut open, and see if my prediction is right. Yeah. So for you, you can cut this. Can you just cut it like this? No problem. Yeah. That's good. No hurry. The prediction is here. Take it out for me. Yeah. You see here? Yeah, the prediction is right. I already have the prediction rightly here. This is the actor which Vijay has selected, and this is, Sunny Leone. Yeah, but Sunny Leone is a baby, right? It's not the Sunny Leone which you wanted now.
What?
But then, pardon?
What's the right now position?
You want to see right now position? Okay, this is nothing but you can have a look
Wow.
here. My prediction is right, and this is Sunny Leone, the prediction, and Vijay, you date with your actor whom you wanted. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, friends. Thank you for this opportunity, and I thank CK sir. Happy birthday again from my side also. Thank you very much. Good night.